Here's how you do the spotlight effect in Canva. First, add a big rectangle to the page, and then add a super small circle at the center of the rectangle. This is so you have enough space to stretch and do the spotlight effect later. Then change the page background color to match the circle color. Reduce the size of the shapes so that the background is bigger than the shapes. Download as PNG, create a new page, and then upload the image back in Canva. Remove the background by clicking the BG remover. Remove the extra spaces, add your second image, and set it as a background. Make sure you adjust the background so that it fits perfectly. Then enlarge the rectangle and align the circle to what you want to spotlight in your second image. Adjust the transparency of the rectangle to 90 and add your text but hide it to the side. As you can see, I'm moving all the text to the right side of the page. Move the appropriate text to the side of the spotlight. Then duplicate the page. On the second page, move the spotlight to the next person and then remove the text and then add the appropriate text by sliding it in. And then you can just repeat the process for the things that you want to spotlight in your next pages. Once you're done, add the match and move effect for transition, and that's how you do the spotlight effect in Canva.